Dear students, today we will discuss discussion method of teaching. A discussion method is the means by which students share experiences, ideas and attitudes. So discussion method enable to engage in an orderly verbal interchange and to express thoughts on a particular subject. Discussion method of teaching is a group activity involving the teacher and the student to define the problem and seek its solution. Discussion method is also described as a constructive process involving listening, thinking, as well as the speaking ability of the students. Tips in conducting discussion. Appropriate use of physical space. Number 1, U-shape sitting. Number 2, circle sitting. How to achieve effective discussion. Encourage students to contribute. You can direct the discussion by asking at the beginning of a discussion session, as students open-ended or multiple answer questions. So now discuss advantages of discussion method. Discussion method can develop following abilities among students. Number 1, thinking and communicating powers. Number 2, to develop leadership quality. Number 3, expression ability. Number 4, problem solving ability. Number 5, to develop creativity. Number 6, to develop motivation and confidence. 7th, to develop higher level of cognitive and objective effective can be realized through discussion method. Number 8, to develop effective learning. 9, development of critical thinking. Number 10, participation by everybody. Number 11, emphasize on students' experiences. 12, emphasize on maximum participation. 13, logical and meaningful criticism should be accepted. 14, students have the opportunity to criticize and evaluate. 15, keeping teacher as a guide. So now discuss demerits, disadvantages of discussion method. So some demerits of discussion method as the following. Number 1, there is a change that only a few students may dominate the whole discussion. Number 2, it is possible that discussion is initiated on those aspects of the problem with which few prominent students of the class are concerned. Number 3, it is time consuming. Number 4, not suitable to all teaching levels of learning situations. Number 5, more time and efforts. 6, may not be end with solution. Number 7, teacher may not be able to guide and provide true leadership. Number 8, it may create emotional stress. Number 9, only a few students may dominate the whole discussion.